I love it, I love it, I love it. I love it. I swear that I love it. I swear that I love it. Not to be cocky, but.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tati Lashai here. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how I do my flat twist. This is freshly newly washed hair. Yeah, so let's get to it. So first things first, I'm going to part my hair. I'm gonna do the back first, but I'm just go ahead and part because I feel like the back really takes me some time, and if I go ahead and do it first, get it out the way, I can do the front much more easier. First things first, I'm going to wet my hair. I just want to get my hair just a little damp, so I'm gonna spray it enough so I can go ahead and work through my hair. Okay, so now I'm gonna comb that out. I'm gonna take Pantene Truly Natural Hair Defining Curl Styling Custard. Smells amazing and it works amazing. So okay, so I'm gonna take some of that and just gonna put it on my hair, and we're gonna work that through there. And like, I'm doing this whole section. This is not gonna be like one big old twist. I'm just doing the whole section just to get it out of the way. Because then it'll be much quicker for me to do my hair. Alright. Start at the top, and then we're just gonna twist. Or is it the other way? Y'all just give me a second. Let me get my formation right. And then when you get to the bottom, just, I like to comb this part out because you know I can get a little tangled or a little bushy. And then just twist it on up. There we go. That's another thing. So I be trying, and then so I don't be wanting to put too much hair in one, because then it'd be like it's too much. So it's just like, you're going to get it unraveled, and you're going to have to do it over again, and then you're going to get frustrated. So, you know, try to be careful with that. Okay, I'm going to start again. Now we made it to the bottom. since we've made it to the front, I can show you guys pretty much more detailed. So like I said, comb that out. Okay, just like start your piece and then just pick up and grab and tuck under. See? I feel like the front, I feel that the front is much more easier. It doesn't give me as much of a hard time as in the back, because the back I can't see nothing, so I'm just working my magic back there. But then the front, it's just like much easier. And there we go. And then I'm doing the front ones more smaller, because I like my hair in the front to be more defined. And as you're coming down, I like to work some more product in my hair if I feel that it's a little dry. So, I mean, that's okay. So, that is totally fine. It's not no biggie. Because I don't want the twists to be dry and then they don't come out. They come out like frizzy type. So, it's okay to dip in a little more product. Yep, this is the finished look. I'm gonna keep it like this. I'm probably gonna wear this for about maybe 3 days, possibly a week. So, but this is CASTOR. I went and got me some more previous videos. Y'all know CASTOR is. I'm just gonna put some in my hand and rub it together, and then I'm just gonna do this. Rub it on all 4 fingers. Come down like this between the lines. Can't forget them edges. But anyways, thanks for watching, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, go watch my other videos. Anyways, thanks for watching, you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Say me too, girl, you addicted and I need you. She say, bam.